Guest name list. This is the list where all the guests in the hotel rooms are displayed. We can get overview of the guest names according to different tabs where reservations are grouped. In this list, we may notice the colored and white cells. If we have created the card and profile for one guest, related cells will be white. Colored cells and row imply that we have not created profile for the specific guest. If we see the name of the guest on the guest control or lookup field, this means that this guest has a profile created in our system. We are allowed to update guest information from the list. For example, we can enter guest's name and surname, date of birth, nationality, ID information by simply double-clicking on the desired cell. When we make changes to the related field, the whole row will turn yellow. This means that data is entered but not saved in the system. It will be done after we click on the Save button in the upper part of the screen. From the guest control part, we can also select another guest if desired. If we think that this is a repeat guest, we can search for him or her in this list and save it. In the upper filter segment, we may enter the desired parameters according to which we would like to list the guests. For example, if we would like to list only those guests of the ERS agency, we should enter name of this agency under the related field and then click on the Report button. In case we want to erase information of a certain guest, we should click on the desired guest record and select Anonymize Guest under the Action menu. In this way, we will remove the information related to this guest.